This TikTok thing.
There he is. This is what we're talking about. See, ya? Hey!
Abutre, the BCB Abutre. And you
What's the name? Alright, so let us go in a conversation with Stonebwoy. Hi, Stonebwoy. How are you? Are you hearing me?
Can you hear me?
I am hearing you. Are you hearing me properly?
Can you see me too?
Yes, all right. So, Stonebwoy, I am in Kingston, Jamaica. Where are you right now?
I'm in New York right now. I can see you. I can hear you. Can you hear and see me too?
Yes, I am hearing you. Listen, Stonebwoy, I listened to your album like 20 times. I love all the songs on the album, and I was excited to talk to you. We've been waiting. So I'm going to do a little introduction on you. CNN African Voices Changemaker, Mr. Livingston Etsy Satekla. Did I pronounce it correct?
You got it right. Can you
No,
see
you're
me?
not. You're not just a recording star, Stonebwoy. You're an actor, you're a scholar, you're a producer, you're an entrepreneur, and right now you're promoting your 6th studio album. There are some Jamaicans on it. There are artists from Bonaire on it, Nigeria on it. Talk to us and tell us everything about up and running right now. Stonebwoy, the big international star.
Give thanks. Firstly, I heard all of that. Thank you for the great introduction. Can you see me? Can you hear me?
I can see you, Stonebwoy. I can hear you.
Wanted to be sure about that. Anyway, it's an honor to be on the greatest voice. You know?
Oh,
Yeah. Ramona Samuels, right?
thank you. Yes, yes.
So, right under the Brooklyn Bridge, right?
Yeah.
Under the Bridge, whatever it is, reporting from New York to Jamaica.
Oh, yeah.
Up and running.
Up and running. Listen, Stonebwoy, you know what I realized? That you have introduced us, Afro dancehall lovers, reggae lovers, amapiano lovers, and R&B lovers, to some artists that some of us, because it's a global presentation, that we might not have known. And you know, being a Jamaican woman, obviously the Jamaicans on the album stood out for me. Jamil, Chiching Ching, Spice, one of your favorites to work with. Oh yeah. And there is that British Jamaican, Amaria BB. Tell me everything about the album, Stonebwoy.
I mean, to have all my Jamaican sisters and brothers come along with me every time. You know, it's a thing that I've always been up about. This is a great way to continue to unite us as one people that we've always been. So, having Amaria BB is Jamaican in the UK. She resonates to a very unique Gen Z kind of crowd that loves dancehall reggae new school. So she and I did a song, I think 2 years ago.
F up summer.
Yeah, man, we want F up summer, you know, with that song there. And members say it's summer in Africa every day, and in Jamaica it's summer too.
I'm hot
So
right
that-
now, Stonebwoy. I had to cool down for you.
All right, that means that song that going to take over the street of Jamaica same way as Spice.
I need
way-
it to, because those songs and those collaborations, Stonebwoy, we're ready for go partying at the dance, you know. And I want you to be here because the song with Spice is a party song. The one Overload with Tentic go hard on it, and Jamil Overlord, them song there. You're not from Ghana, you're Jamaican, don't it? Talk it true, man. Must.
Really and truly, me is a black man, you know.
Yes.
I know, say all black people connect. You know me, I tell you. So, well, you know what I'm saying? Ghana is Jamaica, Jamaica is Ghana, and vice versa. May I tell them this every time, you know? Yeah, so, you know, the music and ting resonate with one another. Is it? So,
Definitely. So one of my favorite songs on the album, I hope I'm going to pronounce his name correctly, is Memories with Ursay. Is that how it's pronounced?
Yes,
Ursay?
He's a Caribbean artist from Curaçao.
I want to play that song right now because that song brought back memories to me, and it was perfectly titled.
I know, but guess what? When you beat it, that means that it's gonna have people are gonna find it now, and the album not come out yet.
Oh God! So don't play it. Oh my God!
It's as you can tell them about it, but if you can't hear none of them.
All right, no problem.
Out already. You have a song like "Pray for Me."
I love that one with Wyclef. Listen to me. You know, I had to reach out with some of your collaborators, right? I reached out to Tentic. I reached out to Wyclef. He sent me voice notes, and he told me that you guys shot the video for Pray For Me in London. Is that correct? And he told me that you guys linked up in Jamaica for that Sharon Burke event earlier this year. You were one of the star presenters. Tell me about that.
I think that is a great platform. Big up Mama Sharon, you know?
Yes.
I put it and make sure I say the world will come together and witness where Jamaica have. A matter of fact, what Caribbean has. So, you know, it's a great opportunity for me as a African artist, you know,
yes,
to come away from Ghana and come represent on that platform. And it gave me, you know, the opportunity to connect with my godfather Wyclef one more time. And then guess what? Right after that, we flew back to New Jersey, New York, and we did that song there. So it's a song, that song you can play that song, of course.
Okay, let me play that song right now. Because I as someone who is also spiritual, that song does a lot for me. I have to admit that I noticed that you started the album with, oh my God. Oh Jesus, we lost Stonebwoy. Is he gonna come back? He started the album with Psalms 23 and Pray For Me. Did we lost One God? Dear God, it's all gone. Because One God is on his mobile situation there. Babyface joined, High Rock Star. Come on, I forgot get back Stonebwoy. I walk you. The big African star, king of reggae dancehall in Ghana. Oh my God, what's going on? We lost One God. How do we get back One God? Gabriel, how do we get him back? Oh my God, he's in transit, he's driving, he's in New York City, he's on a promotional run. Oh Jesus. One God, where did you go? Bim Nation. Come in, Bim Nation. Come in, man. Bim Nation president. TikTok removed me for some reason. That's what he's saying. How do we get him back? Oh my God. We're gonna have to go live with Stonebwoy again. Oh my God.